Think of the cross a moment and think of his suffering for you and for me. It said that Jesus endured 5 basic wounds that medical science defines as: first, concussion, when they beat him on the head and tortured him and put a crown of thorns on him. For you, laceration, they bared his back and took long leather whips with steel pellets on the end and beat him until he was bleeding from head to toe. That was the Roman way. They tortured prisoners before they took them to the cross. Then there was penetration, when they crushed that crown of thorns on his brow and his head bled. There was perforation, when they drove the nails through his hands and feet. There was incision, when they put the spear in his side. That suffering, those nails through his hands and feet, were driven by you and me.